How to log in and update your user information. Once you are on the Connecticut Higher Education Training login page, type in your username and password given to you by your professor. Then press Login. Next, read the end user agreement and then press Agree. If you are prompted to change your password, you can change your password now. Otherwise, you can go right into My Account on the blue navigation bar and then My Info on the light blue navigation bar to update your first and last name. But first, enter your current password. Now I can update my first and last name here. Please note that you will not be able to change your email address. That will be your username when you log in to the training site each time. Please keep your user code the same. Then click Update the database. How to add a parent to the student's IEP team. Once you are on the Connecticut Higher Education Training dashboard, click on Students in the dark blue navigation bar. Then type in the search criteria, such as the student last name and student first name. Then click on the blue magnifying glass at the bottom right corner of the page. Then click on the identified student name in the search list. Then you will click on the Student Info tab on the light blue navigation bar, and you will scroll down and click Parents. A new page will appear that will state there is no parental information for the student in the database. You will then click Add New Parent/Guardian. Then you will type in the following: the parent full name, relationship, email, and at least one phone number. Please note that this information can be fictional. Also, make sure to check student lives here and can receive parent portal notifications. Then you will scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Make sure that Include on IEP Team is checked, and then you will click the Add Parent/Guardian button. A new page will appear that will show the parent name, relationship, and work phone number, and you will click Save. How to assign a case manager and the IEP team. Click on Students on the dark blue navigation bar. Type the criteria in the search field: student last name and student first name. Then click the blue magnifying glass on the bottom right corner of the page. Click on the identified student's name. Then click on Student Info on the light blue navigation bar. Scroll down and click Team. Click Special Education, and then click the drop-down arrow to select the case manager. Scroll down to select, and then click Save. Then, on the top right of that page, click Select IEP Team. Scroll down the page to view the list of usernames, and click in the Select column to choose the team members you want to assign to that IEP team. Then, click Save. Then, click Save again.